church needs to hold. Christianity is not the religion of the white people. Christianity started in Africa, as this book mentioned, and it is in Africa and will continue in Africa. So we should hold in our identity as African Christians. We are not converted by white people, but Christianity is our faith. How can we work with Muslims if they are tolerant? Actually, the normal people, they don't care of religion. They don't care. But those who care, they are not tolerant. They stand against any Christian practice, especially if you want to public talk about your faith. It's a very, very hard situation. And so, as it is in every other nation, I think. There is a network between African churches, the All Africa Conference of Churches, but it's also like any economical groups or organizations. There are four officials. They don't touch even the leaders of the church. They are represented. They go and they spend time in 5-star hotels, and they come back without report. Sorry, I know that there are some of you are involved.
It's a best suit.
American. For Christians outside of the African Christians, how can they support the church in Egypt? I didn't see anything. Nothing happened. We are isolated from the African church. We are connected to the Americans, to Europeans maybe, but not to the Africans. And this is the time for us to be connected together. You mentioned about this priest, the Coptic priest called Zakaria Butrus. He speaks in satellite and the internet. He has a very polemic approach to Islam. It has good sides and bad sides, but sometimes the Christians, they say, finally we found somebody who can talk in our names after 14 centuries of pressure. But at the same time, people say, he speaks from America, from behind the camera or a keyboard, and he doesn't live with us anymore. We are in the fire there, and he speaks from America. So this is the situation.
Thank you very much. I just want to wave this book. Tarwan touched on whose religion is Christianity. Professor Lamin Sanda has written this. It's a very small but very significant book. When I take it to read it, I never put it down. And the question is something that he sort of very Lamin Sanda style altered in a question-answer form. And it's a very, very good book. Whose religion is Christianity? And I would recommend that you try and get a copy and read it. We don't have copies here for sale, unfortunately. But I think you could always get this on the internet, on the web, you can order these things. And we will try and see to recommend certain books for some theological institutions that you can get from these books for African, for theological education in Africa. It's very important. And this book also, Tarwan mentioned how Africa shaped the Christian mind by Thomas Oden. It was at this conference in Dakar that we birthed the idea of having this conference today. It was a conference on the early African Christian church that this book was also launched in Addis 2 years ago.
Yeah.
Yes. So there are some of these resources out there. I would suggest that we take a quick break, 15 minutes, and then we come back. And then we can decide what we want to do in the evening, whether we want to have an open question and answer session and have more discussion.